Right, boys, I'll show you this Sonoff wireless fucking thing. Now I have it rigged up to the light switch. Don't mind these live wires here. But this is actually the bigger brother of the small. Now I'll show you the wireless shit in a minute. Throw that down there. She's big enough now. We take me old peon here. Look, a big fucker now. But anyway, you've got manuals there, 1 to 4. So obviously you've no light on at the minute. Right. I'll put a fluorescent up there just to show you. That's off now. Right now. Right, here's the tablet shit. This is the app they give you. And it comes up like this. If you can see that. Fucking how good is it? So there, 1 to 4. Timers, schedules, all this type of stuff. All channels on. And then if we just hit this onto the Wi-Fi in the gaff. Here she goes. Oh, no touch her. Turn it off. Yeah. Turn them all on. The little indicators. I'm going to turn them all off. And there you go. That's what they're all about.